Hello guys, a new day. So first we're going to go to the market, whatever. Buy some food and some snacks, and then we're going to go to Bayland Park. I think that's what it's called, because I don't know what else to do, and I don't want to be inside. And it's a beautiful day, and I don't think it's gonna rain. Of course, it's always a beautiful day, but so yeah. So let's go. Well, it is definitely warm outside. It is like 93 degrees around there. And very bright. But it's a nice day. Yes. Ooh, I almost fell. Okay. So I don't know where this is, but this is the view. Shopping. Just a reminder. Stranger danger. This doesn't tell you how far my inn is. I was there yesterday at the building. Well, just gonna chill at the park. Tomorrow we're going to the Color Factory. 9:30. Yay. And then we're gonna try to go to Chinatown. Hopefully it's not raining. It says it's gonna be sunny, so yes. But we'll see. Yeah. There's more people at the park now. There's people, yeah. We are going home. Ah, so beautiful today. Look at the sky. The park we went to, just not over there. It's a big park actually. Walking back to the hotel, and the sun is dead straight on my face. So, and it's like a full straight. It's a different. So pretty much did a whole circle. Can't even talk. So it's hot. Did a whole roundabout. So yeah, look at that piece of hair. What is going on with my hair? Anyways, yes. I see the hotel. So back to the hotel. Finally, it feels so nice in here. I'm actually gonna turn on the cooler. Good morning. It is currently 6:43 a.m. Don't ask me why I'm up so early. I don't know why. I took a shower. I'm gonna do my hair. I'm going to the Color Factory today. I'm so excited. I'm gonna ask the front desk if there's any water out there. I don't know if the faucet is good to drink. But anyways, so excited. Oh my gosh. Oh, got my waters. I asked him if it was safe to drink from the faucet. He just said we got bottled water. I was like, okay. I was like, I guess I'll buy bottled water then. I got 3 of them because I'm probably gonna drink one now, one whole one now. Then it takes like 2 to fill up my water bottle for later. And yes, I'm so excited. Guys, I'm in the process of straightening my hair. I don't remember the last time I actually straightened my hair, so you know. I was trying to curl it, but you see, I'm not very good at curling my hair. So we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so I was trying to curl my hair, but I don't know how to figure out how to do it with this. The lady lied to me. But I don't want my hair straight. But it's fine, that's what it's gonna be, so well. Alright, this is the fit for the day. I'm gonna have my hat too, but yes. Right, we headed to Color Factory. I'm gonna get picked up by the Uber any second now, so guys.
Even the children's museum is free after 3 o'clock.
So cool. The smell room. The moon. It's supposed to be the moon. Oh, there's a picture of me. Okay. Peace. Ooh, look at my hair. Right. Watch me go. Alright guys, we got some black ice cream. So cool. Look at this one. Okay. Cute little background. Alright, we're done at the color factory. It's in there for like 2 hours maybe, or maybe 2.5. Now I'm heading to the park, Levy Park, I think, because it's close. I gotta figure out what I'm doing with my life, you know, yeah. And it's hot, of course. But yeah. Should have changed my tank top. I don't want to get a farmer's tan. Anyways. To the park. They have a whole dogs area. Going by the water. I think there's a pool area over there. Not that you can see it, but like somewhere over there. I don't know. That's the part. Look at this tree. It's cool looking. Come on if I do. Heck yeah. Other side. This is a park. Ground is very squishy. It's very soft. I'm gonna take pictures by this tree, but it's hot. I really want to go in that water. I'm wearing a white shirt, and I didn't bring my swimsuit, so oh well. Hi. Okay, so we went to try to go to the museum, the contemporary arts one. I think it's free today, and we're gonna walk there 56 minutes, so it's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna be walking to the museum, and there should be like other museums around there too, so once we get there, yes. Yeah, looking forward to the walk. Okay, here we go. This area is nice. It's a nice little house because out of the water for sale. Alright, we're almost there. Almost there. Okay, I like those palm trees and making it feel the vibe. Look at that. Yes. Made it to this big tin can. I will. Right up your life. So the entrance is right there, that little thing right there. Heck, people are supposed to, just so you know, entrance. This is the first time I've been in a museum like this. Like, it looks like the movies, you know. Look at all these paintings. I don't know what this is, but if Tangle's hair was real. some, but I'm over it. I'm done. Alright, done with museums for today. I'm headed home. I don't know if I'll walk the whole way. It's a 2-hour walk. But probably stop for like a smoothie or something. Got Ben & Jerry's strawberry ice cream. That looked like a whole mess. We got like an hour and 48 minutes. Probably going to this grocery store. Probably should not have ate that ice cream. That's all I ate in all day. Ugh. Anyways, it was good, but probably not the smartest decision. First, we're going to go to whatever store is closest before the hotel. Forgot how much walking with music is so much better. There's so much nice houses over here. Wow. We're almost there. Like 50 minutes. Yeah, the Galleria or whatever that is. Right. Been walking for about, well, I stopped at Ben & Jerry's and a quick water break, but I'm walking for like 2 hours. And literally every part of my body is covered in sweat. Humidity, I guess. Let's drop it. Yeah, see the end. Wow, the sun's setting. That's funny. Yes, after about 2.5 hours or so. Well, I saw it was at least 2 hours. But hey, I saved some money. Got some exercise. Now I'm gonna order food and spend some money. Yes. We got our food. It smells so good. I'm so excited. And of course, I got a shake. I had to get a shake. So this, I'm assuming is the churro. Look at these little tiny things. Oh, they're so cute. I think that's guacamole. That's what it looks like. So let's put a straw in. And let me just put this. Ready? Ka-chow. Wow. I got enchiladas. And it has like cheese and potatoes. And then there's a little bit of squash, lettuce, sour, rice, and some beans, period. It tasted really good. Like the enchiladas. I got chicken enchiladas. And the rice and the beans. Oh, so good. Yes. Okay, I don't know how to say the name. Tapatalin, but that's the place that I ordered my food from. So, tastes pretty good. Okay. I'm already like full. I barely ate like half of it. I did drink like most of this already. Watching whatever's on satellite TV. Look. Oh, not the dead body. Oh, commercial. A Law and Order? If you've seen The Flash, Detective Joe West. Oh, he's right there. Ugh, I think I missed it. But he's in the show. I did not know this. Also, I don't watch Law and Order, so that's probably why. But that's cool. That makes sense why he got that part, because he's a good actor. Obviously, he's had experience. Anyways, I wonder if bugs eat something spicy, do they die? Because it's too spicy? Like, think about it. Probably not. But does it burn? Who knows? Right, I'm full. Ugh. Just got some stuff in my suitcase. Whoa, look at my tan. Oh, and some dirt. There's also some dirt as well. I was talking to one of the Uber drivers, and they're like, yeah, I think June and July is probably one of the most bearable ones. When it gets August, I think that's the hottest. So it's like, okay, I guess I came at Novocaine time then. Oh, look, there's Joe West. I mean, Mr. Detective, sir. Anyways, yeah. do you guys do for motivation to clean your hotel room? Okay, so actually checkout is not until 12 p.m. So I have all the time in the world. Like, I've been waking up early. Well, I guess I've also been going to bed at like taking. Ugh, there's the bug. Hold on, sorry. Like, what the heck are you doing, Mr. Sir? What was I saying? I don't remember. Right, checkout. I've been waking up at like, what, 6, 7? But I have been like coming back home at least by 8 because, you know, people said don't be out late by yourself. And this area, yeah, I wouldn't want to be late outside. So I figured it out. I think I'm in Golfton, or whatever. So yeah, it's kind of a ways from downtown. But, yeah, so it's probably why I've been waking up early, because I just chill from like 8 o'clock all the way to the next morning. Sorry, I'm so distracted. It's a fly, and it's the TV, and just trying to think of what I need to get done before tomorrow. But, you know, shouldn't worry about it. I'm not gonna worry about it. I'll get it done by 12. At least wake up at least by 9. But, anyways, yes. All these TikToks around my head, like that one that goes, I was running through the 6 with my woes, and then blah blah blah. I was running through the 6 with my woes. I should probably just go to sleep. Oh, I still need to get my eyes. Okay, I guess I'm going to bed. Oh, I need to get my contacts. Oh, I should change my clothes. Oh my gosh, I'm just too lazy. I was running through my 6 with my woes. I don't even know what it's saying.